When you see a torn motorcycle seat, would you replace it or try to fix it first? It may seem minor, but if left untreated, a small tear can get worse. Here, I'll show you a simple way to fix it without spending much money. First, let's check how bad the tear is. From here, we can decide the best way to fix it. First, we prepare the material, which is styrofoam. This simple material will play an important role in the repair process. After preparing the styrofoam, we add gasoline, then combine them. Slowly, the styrofoam will dissolve into the gasoline, turning into a very strong adhesive. After everything has dissolved, we add black coloring. Since the motorcycle seat is black, this way the repair will blend in and look much cleaner. Now that the mixture is ready, it's time to put it into practice. First, prepare a piece of used inner tire. Then cut it to match the size of the torn seat area. This piece will act as a reinforcing layer, making the repair stronger and more durable. Once everything is in place, now we move to the finishing stage that defines the final result. Apply the adhesive evenly over the patched area, slowly and carefully. Before that, place masking tape around the area to keep the focus only on the repair section. This way, the result will look cleaner, almost like new again. Then, let it dry under the sun until it's half dry. Not too long, just until the texture starts to firm up. After that, take the cut piece of the original seat and place it onto a shaping surface. Then gently press it to recreate the seat's texture pattern. This is where the detail comes in, so the final result doesn't look like a patch, but blends in naturally. Now, we remove the masking tape and take a look at the result. To be sure, we test it with water, and it turns out to be completely waterproof. The water doesn't seep in at all, proving the repair works perfectly.